You know, Leo AI is leveraging a foundational proprietary AI model that is backed by 3 US patents. Those patents describe how we train and how we build the model that can understand CAD and text together. How it understands the world, how it understands the organizational data and the high fidelity sources. Of course, other companies theoretically or other teams could build it. But what we've done, right, the speed that we launched, we launched during the last year 340 software updates. The speed that we understand, the speed that we ship new technology, that we build, measure, and learn, I think it's unprecedented, especially in the last decades for mechanical engineering. So if you're asking what's our moat is the proprietary technology. And even before all, it's not the patents, it's the people. It's a team of mechanical engineers, experienced mechanical engineers that know the problems that other fellow mechanical engineers are struggling with. Also know AI from research and from applications, and combine those two parallel worlds into one, into the AI for mechanical engineers. This is how we were able to build so fast and to turn our idea into a solution for so many mechanical engineers worldwide.